let's make something sweet and savory today, like sweet potato cutlets or yam cutlets. They are a good substitute for pakoras, which are basically deep fried Indian fritters. These sweet potato cutlets are pan fried, so a little bit healthier that way, and a good party food, good finger food. So, are you ready? This is mashed and boiled sweet potato. So basically I took one sweet potato, boiled it, and then removed the peel, removed the skin, and I've mashed it. And now we'll go ahead and season it. Tablespoons of chickpea flour, that's besan, also known as chana flour. And in this we are going to go ahead and add our spices. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So we'll add that, cumin powder, salt. You don't need to add too much, just a hint to spice it up. So I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon. Red chili powder, only about half a teaspoon here. And garam masala, again half a teaspoon. We'll go ahead and add in our sweet potato mashed. And also we'll go ahead and add a little bit of onion, so like 1/4 of one onion chopped, and cilantro. So I'm using about 3-4 stalks here, so we'll add that in. And we'll add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt lends that very nice tangy flavor to the dish, and I love cooking with yogurt. Optional though. So 2 tablespoons of yogurt in, and now we'll go ahead and mix everything well. Our mixture is ready, as you can see. So what we're gonna do now is just take a couple of bread slices, and you can just break them down and add them in. So just adding 2 or 3 slices. So we'll add a little oil in our pan, and we are going to pan fry our cutlets here, and we'll just add a little bit. You can make them any shape you like. Smaller the better, easier for them to cook. Just add these. And we'll let all the sides get brown. So once all sides are nice and brown, your cutlets are done. You can serve them with chutney of your choice. We'll just brown the other side here a little bit. And a great snack. My bowl of sweet and savory sweet potato cutlets is ready. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy them with a hot cup of tea, and you give them a chance and let me know what you think of them.